Look at all these smells and colors. This is the perfect moment to learn how to eat noodles the original way.
Yeah, but I don't know how to use chopsticks.
Me neither. We'll need a chef to teach us step by step.
Welcome to the Chinese restaurant. What would you like to order?
Before we order, we want to learn how to use chopsticks correctly.
Yes, of course. Today, I will teach you the correct way to eat with chopsticks, step by step, and you'll enjoy noodles like a pro. Step 1. Holding the chopsticks. This is the correct way to hold them. Step 2. Picking up the food. You must hold the noodles or any food gently and take a suitable amount without dropping it. Step 3. Eating smart. Now, we lift the noodles up correctly without breaking them. Don't dip too much in the sauce and don't move the chopsticks incorrectly.
See? Now we know how to eat with chopsticks like pros. Learning a new skill takes patience and practice. Experiencing different cultures is fun and educational.
And having fun while learning makes you confident to try new things.